Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Jane Minto. The cup number is cup 819015_57683 and it's called White Wine Birthday Bumper Kit. You get 8 sheets in the kit and it's to fit a 7x7 inch card. However, I'm going to use an 8x8 inch card and I'm just going to make it just a tad larger. It's got a choice of 10 different special ages. So if you're looking for something to fit a unique birthday, this could be what you're looking for. It's a gorgeous kit and suitable for any white wine drinker. Well, any wine drinker at all, really. So we'll run through the kit and then we'll make the card. So the first sheet in the kit is the base image for the card, and then we've got some extra sentiments as well. We've then got the decoupage to build up the front of the card with the wine and the glass, the extra glass and the roses. We've got a full sheet of sentiments for different people in your family, ranging from auntie, best friend, mother to sister-in-law. So there's quite a good choice on there. And then we've got 10 bottles, all with different ages on. So we go from happy 18th birthday through to happy 100th birthday. So it's completely up to you which bottle age that you want to use. We've then got the inserts for the card. So we've got one that reads, "With lots of love on your special day." We've got a blank one, and we've got one that reads, "Wishing you a very happy birthday." So you get a bumper assortment in that kit. So let's go ahead and make the card. So the first thing I have is an 8x8 inch square card, and it's in cream or ivory. So I'm going to add the insert first from the kit. I've chosen the one that says "Wishing you a very happy birthday." I've already cut it out and I've got double-sided tape on the back of the insert, just to make it nice and easy for me to be able to add inside our card. So we can add this through the centre of the card and press it down. You've got a nice amount of room for your message to that special person that you're sending it to, and it's just such a pretty insert and it's going to match perfectly to the rest of our card. So I'm just going to use my bone folder to make sure that that crease is nice and sharp, and you'll notice that I'm using the crease to the top of the card just for a different look. I like using it this way around. So my first layer on the card is actually a piece of plain cardstock. So this is out of my own stash, so you can always add things that you've got in your stash. I've also been really frugal with my cardstock because I've taken the centre of it away. I've die cut it. I could have die cut it any shape, but that's the shape that I chose. And it's only to save the card because, you know, we all like saving our cardstock and lots of scraps, etc. So you won't notice this when the card is made, but you will see the outside border. I've got double-sided tape around the edge that I can just peel off, and then we can add it to the front of our card. So I've chosen a fuchsia coloured cardstock which will tone in perfectly with the actual card itself. So I've cut this cardstock to approximately 7.8 by 7.8 inches so that it will fit on the front of our card, giving that nice layered effect around the edge. So next I'll need the actual card front image from the kit. Now Jane has made this so gorgeous, and it's going to tone in with the cardstock that I've used just for the background. I've got flat tape on the main image, and I will add that over where I've been frugal with the cardstock so that you will never know. There we go, press it down, and so it looks like it was made for it, and you can't see underneath, so nobody will ever know. Next we can start building the decoupage on our card. So the first layer I have is the wine, the glass and the roses. I've cut it out and I've got 3D foam on the back of it. So all we have to do is simply position this over the layer on the actual card itself. There we go. And marry up the design. And then once in place, press it down. There. Next, I have the wine bottle. I've chosen to use the 100th birthday because I just think, you know what, when you get to 100, you really deserve lots of white wine. And I like the fact that there's cards available for any age. So I decided to go for 100. I've cut out the bottle and I've got 3D foam on the back of it, and I'm simply going to position it over the previous layer. I've cut out the glass. Now I've only cut out one of the glasses, and that's the beauty of decoupage. You don't have to cut out every layer. I've got 3D foam on the back and I'm going to position the glass over the previous layer. And then the roses, again, I've cut out 3D foam on the back, just position them over the previous layer, and the next rose, there we go. Then I've got the beautiful butterfly that I've simply cut out. Now I've got flat tape on his body underneath, and I'm just going to add over the top of the butterfly on the card front. So he's just sticking in the middle, and I've taken one of the sentiments that says best friends, and I'm just going to slot it underneath part of the butterfly wings. I've got 3D foam on this, so it'll stop the wing from going flat as well. So we'll pop the sentiment about there. There we go, compress that down. And that is our card finished. So you can see the layers we've built up, and it matches perfectly to the inside. And it's just such a gorgeous card. I'd like to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 819015_57683 by Jane Minto. And you can see any of Jane's designs by going to the Craftsuprint website and searching for Jane Minto. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.